Hi, it's David here with Future Trading. I'd like to welcome you to the channel. On yesterday, I took and made a video, and I wanted to go ahead and do it this way. I made it private for a reason, all in which I want to just kind of disclose to you. But I still want to make available to you the turning points. And so I will have a link below of this video. All right, and you can learn it in 18 minutes, so it won't take long at all. I didn't cover the chart scale in yesterday's video, but that's a universal approach for any chart. And so you'll be able to grab that information there. The only thing that's not in this video is the swing. So how to measure the swings. That's not there. All right. Now it's in other videos. I'm just not able to recall exactly which video it's in. But if you wanted to search through it just a little bit, it will probably be in the NQ playlist. All right. So it'll probably be in the NQ playlist. Let me just kind of show you where that's at. So there's a lot of videos I've done over the time of being here, but it'll probably be in here. I want to say, I think it'll be in here. So you're more than welcome to that information. And again, there's tons of information here. If you never read a chart before, you can go on this playlist here. If you've never read a chart before, I'll take a plain chart and just kind of walk you through how to get into that activity. But if not, again, this that universal approach to the markets. Let me go right here. Universal to the markets is important. And I tried to release a video a month ago, actually, to show you how to take an entry, how to get a little bit closer to price. So if you're new to the channel, again, I have loads of information here. Here's all the videos that are, I guess mostly viewed. There's a lot of views on these videos, and you're more than welcome to take a look at that information there. But the universal threshold, the price action trend, the price action method, and that chart scale. All of this is universal content that you can apply to any chart. All right. So I don't want to deprive you guys that showed up to watch this video and even hit the like button. I don't want to deprive you from receiving the three turning points at all. So I still want you to be able to retain that information. And again, I will have that link below this video, but I only wanted to make available. I thought about it. I want to make it available to those that genuinely support the content. All right. I really want to do that. I know there's at least, I want to say four to maybe seven of you, but definitely four of you that will constantly support the information. And there's almost 700 people here. And so there's always views, there's some views there. Sometimes it's less than 100, but there's views there. And I just don't see no one willing to step up and say, hey, even though I already know it, I'm going to still hit the like button because I'm online looking at it. So if you don't mind, try to be more supportive moving forward. But for those that, and again, I'm going to be honest, I don't plan on coming back because I already had a YouTube channel and a business online. I took it all off. I deleted the channel and everything. And I wasn't even releasing the stuff that I'm releasing on this channel. I was releasing mainly just targets. So I do want to have you know I'm here interested in you being able to pull up a chart and just read a chart with absolutely nothing on it. Hindsight never stops me out. It would never stop you out. And I know there's a lot of traders online that does a lot of hindsight analysis. I'm trying to make sure that you're able to read that hard right edge with no hesitation, that you can look at it and just given just a chance of high probability to say, hey, there's an opportunity that may be setting up here, and it could work, and be able to see the opposite effect as well. That if it's not to work, you can see that it's possible that it can change on you because the market is fluid, and we have fluid intelligence, so that allows us to adapt and adjust in real time. And so I'm trying to make sure that I expose you to information that gets that done. And again, without all the fluff that's around the videos online, because I'm not a YouTube personality, so I don't try to entice you to do this. I don't have elaborate intros. I don't plaster my face on the videos. I don't have prop firm links. I don't do any of that stuff. It's not professional. All right. So I want to give you an experience unlike any other, and definitely have you be able to reciprocate the same, just show a level of support because we're in the same profession. That's important. So for those that actually have been consistent at supporting the information I have and bought the indicator suite, you've received the link this morning. All right. So I want to make sure I give to you in a way that, again, shows us that I appreciate you as well. So the only way to get access, you have to have the indicator suite and support the channel. It's not hard to do that. Just to stop a moment and help someone else. That's all it is. Just helping someone else. Not per se me. Again, I'm not here trying to be a YouTuber. That's not it. Want to get somebody else some help. There's somebody that's needing some help. Trust me. There's a lot of people out here that can't do this. And I know what that is. I know what it is. I spent years of my life trying to get this to work. No one taught me this. I'm self-taught. So it can be a challenge. It can absolutely be a challenge. And I figured the best way to help those is by doing it this way. And it's simple. All right. So if you don't mind, still show a level of appreciation for the content. Again, I'll be back maybe sometime next year, and we're going to look at what the NQ had did, possibly. All right. So because I've been trying to give you guys that information on the NQ and how it's behaving, mainly on that daily. We're trying to see what that daily want to do, if it's trying to top out or begin to decline. So maybe sometime next year I'll be back and give you an update on that. But if you can, definitely share the information. Again, there's a lot of content here for you guys to comb through, and I will have that link below for the turning points. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.